Hi, Terry here with my book that I recently finished, my last obsession, that I want to share with you guys. It's basically a month-long project that I ended up finishing all the pages as opposed to just keeping it for like a junk journal. I kind of made it into an altered book, but I made the book from scratch. I did use kits from a company called Vectoria Designs. They're an amazing company that I recently found, and it all started with this little booklet folio right here. It was a little free kit that she offered, and I signed up for her emails, and then she sends you the printables to print out and also instructions to make the kit. So I thought I'd share the freebie with you first. They're called the Steampunk Clocks Booklet, and it was quite a lot of fun, and I was completely hooked, as you can see. This is the booklet right here. It's got lots of little tuck spots and little surprises, and I think that's why I liked it so much. It's got little cards and coin envelopes. You can put stuff in them. And then I made a little booklet here, just a tiny little booklet. And then this is like a waterfall, kind of a waterfall thing that has little cards inside that you can either put pictures on, do some journaling, whatever floats your boat. So that's what started my little obsession into Vectoria Designs. So let me put it over here. My next project was this lovely book here. It is made from, the structure itself is made from scratch. It has what they call a shaker spine. All these are free moving inside, but I'm not even going to try to do that on camera. So let me share this book with you. So I did some stitching. There's journal cards in here, little tags, tickets, all kinds of stuff that you can finish. And I used a lot of gold accents, and for the gold cardstock I used Tim Holtz metallic craft stock, and I used a lot of gears, die cuts from Tim Holtz, Spellbinders, and Memory Box. So I'm just going to share the book with you. That's a little belly band with a little notebook for all your inventions. Here I cut out a window out of the cardstock pocket because I wanted to be able to see the tag that was inside without having to pull it out. I had some glassine envelopes that I just used a piece of that for it. I also used stencils throughout, just in little spots here and there. Another little card. A little tuck spot. This is a little envelope. And for the textiles, like the lace and stuff, I used a lot of stuff that I'd either hand dyed or coffee dyed, tea dyed, even tried some avocado dyeing, which is the pinker book. I just didn't want to put a plain paperclip on there. I just wanted to dress it up just a little bit. This I love. It's the filament dye from Tim Holtz. It's really cool. course, I had to include a cat. Got little dangles off of some of the pages. This is another little notebook that I made. Another one of those pockets. This is a little pocket between pages, the little inventor's diary. It's a little flip out page. A little tag. It's a little belly band. I used metal hinges for the flip out page. I also did some clear acetate that I put through my Vagabond with an embossing folder to see if it would work, and it did. I mean, it's probably hard to see on the film, but it came out kind of cool. Another envelope, postcard inside. As well. This is kind of interesting. The quote is, "Life is a journey, choose your destiny." And I put pocket number 1 or pocket number 2. So inside pocket number 1 is escape. Inside pocket number 2 is follow. So whether you choose to follow your own path or create a new one. This is some of that avocado dyed lace, antique lace. Oop. Little cards. And more tags with great little inspirational quotes. I love my inspirational quotes. And this is a little booklet. This folds out with another little postcard. This little bike here is really cute. It's actually an old memory box die. Then I used some of the new 3D embossing folders from Tim Holtz on some of the backgrounds. pockets. This is a big pocket. This has a pretty good sized notebook inside between the pages for ideas. It's all papers that I actually dyed using distressed spray stains. A little booklet. Full steam ahead. Another one of those 3D embossing folders. The pocket. Some cool little dangles. Here's another one of those embossing folders. At the acetate that I put through with an embossing folder. This time I went over it with some archival ink to bring up the pattern. And it seemed to work. Some of the chains you'll see throughout the book are Elizabeth Craft dies. Again, using the Tim Holtz metallic craft stock in the gold. And this is the last little page. And then the back side also has pockets that I stitched and added some antique coffee dyed lace. And little pockets. More little tags, and that's my book. It's a really fat book. I love my fat books. I hope you enjoyed this little flip through. I know people had asked me to do one, and I finally got the equipment that I needed to do it, so I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day and happy creating.